What did Clwb Crefft mean to me? Fire, nature, walking, foraging, making wholesome food, eating, talking, meeting people with shared interests, having a little laugh here and there, learning new skills, working with natural materials, achieving a basket or a spoon. Then there was the mindfulness and the breathing practice, which I found very calming. In fact, we used all 5 senses. I was pleased to be invited to this group by the gallery. I've been on a roller coaster with my well-being for over 40 years. I have dyslexia and Earlon syndrome, which gives me extra sensitive feelings in general and especially to light and noises. I've tried traditional medication without success. I've had counselling and support over the years. I'm struggling with deep-seated grief and now find myself living alone for the first time in my life. Being part of Clwb Crefft was multi-layered. Being outside gives freedom for people to move around as it suits them too. The fire gave a constant heart and warmth to our group. I felt I had more energy from eating well. I'm sure many people living alone don't look after their health through food. Eating within a group, but outside, informally, was such a pleasure when you eat alone mostly. Being within nature, I know for myself, a key element for my well-being. Bird song, changes in the wind, smells of the fire and food cooking. Just getting up and dressed can be too much very often when you wake up to depression. Counselling and talking therapies are good, but can be tiring, so being part of this experience too has helped me. I really enjoyed every week and can say hand on heart, this has been the best medicine for my mind and body I've had.